In this video I want to talk to you about my 2025 hiking shoe. So here, these are the Adidas, where is it? RAIN.RDY Terrex. These are waterproof, obviously up to here. I've had these for at least a year, probably more. I've put dozens of miles on them. They've been great. I love the color. I know it kind of blends in with the table here. But they got great support, great grip. I've been wearing them in the snow. Recently we've got some decent snow. And one of the things I love about them is they're not too expensive. They're not $200. On Adidas they're $100. And on Amazon right now they're like 73 or 75 or something like that. But what I like, they look like a normal shoe. It's not like some rugged, thick, ugly, weird, I don't even know how else to describe it. It looks more like a normal shoe, but it's like a hiking boot. But they've been great for me. Not super slippery. I have gone through some water with them. They fit my feet great. These are 13s. My feet are super wide, so I struggle. Like, I don't buy shoes online. I have to go into the store to try them on to see if they fit. Because most like, I have Skechers, like here. These are the shoes I'm wearing right now. Like, because it's so hard to find, just in general shoes for me. I got these stretchy Skechers. But they work great. You can lace them up all the way, and I usually keep the little knots on the end here. So when I'm loosening them, I can just, I can loosen them. I can just slip right in. And if I'm not doing any serious hiking, just so a light little walk, I'll just slip them on and not tie them. But I just wanted to share with you the boot I will be using in 2025.